Hey y'all, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're unboxing a new mixer that we bought to bake with. So let's go. I gotta get some scissors to open it with. Here she is, y'all. Let's open that box. She's beautiful, y'all. Let's take all these wrappers off. Okay, so the blender we bought holds 6.5 quarts, and this is a stainless steel bowl it comes with. A lot bigger than the usual ones that it comes with. Here's the button that leans it back on there, and you can take it off and just stick it back on and then close it. The mixer we bought is the Cebory brand. This is a really great brand. It locks at the bottom, and it's got easy controls on the side. The attachments it comes with are the whisk. This is a giant whisk for making great cookie dough. It comes with a beater attachment and also a hook for a dough attachment. The best part is it comes with this lid that you can just stick on when you're adding ingredients, and it'll prevent it from splashing. We did go with the black color, that way it matched the rest of the kitchen. Price range, this was close to $400 originally, but we got it on sale for around $100. That's not a bad price at all. The price for this right now is about $130 on Amazon, and I'll link it below. Okay, y'all, one last look at everything. This is the splash guard. This is the beater. This is the whisk and the dough attachment. You have the stainless steel bowl with the max fill line, and then you have the stand mixer. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We're fixing to go make some homemade butter because we're out of butter. If you haven't yet, make sure to give that video a like and follow me for more. Love you guys.